What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all safe and sound. So since Dubai has finally eased up on all the lockdown and restrictions, and they're basically opening up almost everywhere, all the shops and the shopping centers, the malls, all those tourist attractions, everything is starting to open up step by step. So today I'm just going to be driving around and I'm going to be looking up and seeing what all spots have opened up, and you guys can see with me, yeah? Alright guys, so we've reached Dubai Mall, and there's quite a lot of cars here, so I'm guessing it's gonna be a little bit crowded, maybe. So before we go in, this is what we're gonna be looking like. We gotta stay safe. Yeah? Oh look, it's matching my ring. That's nice. Alright, so let's go in. guys, we're here at the Souk Al Bahar area, which is right outside the fountain, and it is boiling hot right now. I don't think the show starts like later on, but it is so damn humid that I don't even think anyone's going to be able to come at this time. It's quite humid. I don't think anyone will be coming here. Everything is opened up, but there's not a lot of crowd, to be honest. I'm guessing everyone is trying to be careful. Everyone's just trying to stay safe somehow and stay indoors. Not a lot of people are going to be coming to the malls. But yeah, this is what it is. It's totally empty and it is boiling hot. So maybe that might be one of the reasons. Alright, so we'll just go in. Finally found a seat. I'm just gonna be enjoying my latte and my lazy cake, chocolate lazy cake. It's quite crowded here and they've shut down, I would say, half the seats just because of precautions for the coronavirus. It's quite messed up, but I didn't expect that to be so many people. So yeah, it's not bad. Pretty damn tasty. Alright, now that I'm done with my coffee and my cake, I wanted to speak about a couple of points that I've noticed since coming to Dubai Mall. So I haven't been here for quite some time. So it's been a couple of months that I've not been to Dubai Mall. So what I've noticed is that there's quite a lot of shops that have been shut down. That means they had to let go a lot of staff members as well. So that's quite sad because Dubai is not like that. I mean, especially with a lot of brands and a lot of companies investing here, it is one of the main market for investors. So yeah, Dubai is doing everything it possibly can to finally get over the whole COVID-19, and it's doing pretty well right now. I mean, I'd say it's recovery, the number of recoveries are quite a lot, quite higher than the cases confirmed for coronavirus, and things are looking pretty good from here. So let's hope it gets better and Dubai gets through this tough time. So now I'm going to be walking around the mall and I'm going to be trying to see if I actually need to buy some accessories for the GoPro. So let's see if I find it here. All right. guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content, and I'll be posting as regular as I possibly can, especially, you know, because you hardly get the chance to leave the house due to coronavirus and all that bullshit. I'm just trying to be more careful and not go to public places that are too crowded. So yeah, stay safe, and let's all hope that this thing gets over as soon as possible so we can get back to the way we used to enjoy life. Alright guys, peace.